Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm going to tell you something about our project, optimization of Natura 2000 sites management delivery in the South Bohemia region and the territory of South Slovakia. Duration of our project is from 2017 to 2024. And the project budget is over 7 million euro. We got a great contribution from European Commission, as you see, and we got also money from our Ministry of Environment, and our colleagues from Slovakia also got money from their Ministry of Environment. We are a coordination beneficiary, the South Bohemia region, and we have 4 partners, 2 from the Czech Republic and 2 from Slovakia. The first of this regional school economy, České Budějovice, it's an organization which was established by South Bohemia region, and one of its purpose it's providing quality management of special protected areas and so on. So we created a team of 3 operators and 5 workers there who are doing the hard job in field. So Onyx, the second one, is taking care about our PR. And BROS and State Nature Conservation of the Slovak Republic have really good experience and long-term experiences with providing of live projects. So we're really glad that we cooperate. Yeah, we have 25 sites in South Bohemia region in the Czech Republic, and 30 in South Slovakia. The main objective of our project is the improvement of conservation status of 11 priority habitats and 3 priority species. No. Here is the Gentiana praecox subspecie bohemica. We have 2 beetles. This you know very well. The second one is Carabus menetriesipacolae, and we have also forest habitats, grassland habitats, and salt marshes and mares. No, the other thing. Here I summarized some expected results of our project. We want to, ideally, stabilize and increase the population of our priority species, and through the stabilization and expansion of the species habitats. Expected results of grassland habitats and forest habitats is restoration and expansion of the habitats. I want to highlight the introduction of grazing, then planting of trees, removal of invasive plants, and restoration of the hydrological regime of salt marshes and peat bogs. And now, something about our species. This is an endemic species of critically endangered in the Czech Republic, and the core of its population is in the South Bohemia region, 11 sites, which represents more than from 50 to 80% of the species population worldwide. And we want to optimize the management and increase the size of its habitats, and increase the species population. Oh, some effects. Cool. Sorry, I didn't realize. The other priority species is Carabus menetrius pacholei. It's a relic species living exclusively in region of peat bogs and valleys and mountain meadows, and it's endangered by destruction of peat bogs, mainly due to their draining and intensive extraction of peat deposits, and other reason it's degradation of peat bogs due to inappropriate water regime of or overgrowing with the binary tree species. Oh, yeah, I want to improve their condition. Again, wow. So the project objective, because you know this bug really well, so we want to and we try to planted new trees, restored abandoned head willows, and definitely we are doing the professional treating about on 1,000 old and more than 1,000 old and valuable cavity trees and new willows planted. And the colleagues from Slovakia are really good in restoring grazing in stands of pollard willows. So we have two a little bit different approaches. As I said, we have a team of employees, well trained, and we bought equipment. We hope the best equipment possible for the implementation of all activities, and we use special techniques, drones, and so on. And our colleagues do it in more traditional means. They have a really nice cooperation with farmers and so on. So they do it more with external assistance. And now, this is our technique purchased for our project. I think you know more of them. And now, really quick, reform metrak. It's really good for our meadows with Gentianella. I think it can ride 45 degrees or something like the hill. It's really cool. And there are two regimes like rabbit and the turtle when you want to go really quick and really slow. And I think this you know very well because it's Truxor. It's from Sweden, and it's we like it and we use it at our peat box. The next one is our Lambo for transporting the biomass outside. Specially constructed high-lift platform for providing management at Osmoderma sites. Tatra, some cars and so on. And this one, the Dakar Panther, is really good at meadows because we wanted to find out the new practices in the management. And the brush is really good in meadows with Gentianella to we want to put away the litter, and the moss. So, ta-da! Here's the project team. And something shortly, the species, for this it's absolutely essential to repeat the basic maintenance cycle. Autumn or spring verticulation, summer cutting and autumn cutting, and this you saw before, but as I said, we try to develop and apply new practices, and everything, it's based on a good cooperation with the landowners. 2 minutes? Okay. This was a dense forest. And this is happiness in August and September when you are doing it in the right way, we hope. Quickly, more than 700 trees we treated. More than 240 willows were restored by reintroduction of flooding. And we planted new trees, and our colleagues restored grazing. Some pictures from providing management with a high-lift platform. This is a really special stakeholder. It's a baroness from a fairy tale castle. She's great, and this is my colleague. He likes to dress up as Osmoderma, or you'll see him. It was something for children TV. Before and after from our colleagues from Slovakia. And if you want to know something more about the polaring, I can give you the contact to my colleague from Slovakia. Ta-da! Our colleagues prepared some leaflet for the stakeholders, our goats, and I want to highlight that this is really, I like that we almost doubled the total number of individuals of the species in Slovakia because of the grazing introduction. Restoration of book woodland. We planted 17,000 of genetically pure Pinus rotundata. We did a new branch of nature trail. This is restoration of grassland habitats. Yeah, we also have a monitoring system at one site in Slovakia because the people really like the orchids and so on, and wanted to take it home. So there are rangers and infrared cameras. So a huge part of our project is also PR. So something from that. Really good example of cooperation with stakeholder, Mr. Mašek. He is really nice taking care about the Gentianella meadow. He created a flags with numbers of for each Gentianella. We like him. And if you think we are a little bit crazy, yes, the answer is yes, because this is me, the first bumblebee. This is my financial manager. This is the science manager. And this is, you saw him, this is the colleague from PR, because we try to find out the best way how to communicate with the smallest children. So sometimes we play some performances. And feel free to visit our web pages, Facebook, and so on, or our YouTube channel. And if you don't want to know something more, just write me. Thank you very much. I don't know. Thank you. There's maybe video, but I think it's not time maybe for that.